If you are looking for a solution to add a signature in Outlook, stay here and learn some best techniques for the same. In Outlook, you can generate one or more custom signatures for your email messages. The signature can include your text, images, your electronic business card, a logo, or even an image of your handwritten signature. You can configure Outlook to add signatures to all outgoing messages. Let's discuss some significant reasons why Outlook users prefer to add a signature to their email. The signature provides detailed information about the email sender, like name, status in the company, phone number, etc. By adding a signature, you can make your brand stronger. Adding a signature to your email delivers professional attention to all recipients. Methods to add signature in Outlook. Open Outlook and click on the New Email button. From the message menu, select Signature. After that, select Signatures to proceed further. Note: depending on the size of your Outlook window and when you compose, reply to, or forward a new email message, the message menu and signature button may be in two different places. Select Signature to edit, or select New, and then type a name for the signature in the New Signature dialog box. Note: you can change the fonts, font colors, sizes, and the alignment of the text, and also predefine templates for your signature. Here, click on the Choose Default Signature, and configure the following options for your signature. From the Email Account drop-down list, select an email account to be associated with the signature. To be added to all new messages by default, select one of your signatures from the New Messages drop-down list. If you want to see your signature in the message, select each signature from the Reply/Forwards drop-down. Select OK to save your new signature. Adding logo or image to your signature. Open Outlook, and click on the New Emails and then, tap on the signature. In the opening menu, pick the Signatures option. Here, you can view the Select Signature to Edit tab. Select the signature you want to add as a logo or image. Opt with the image icon to insert an image from the System/PC, locate your desired image and click Insert. After completing all steps, hit on the OK button.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.